2002 Ford Explorer Sport Trac, 112,000 miles in amazing condition. This is a two-wheel drive XLT. These Sport Tracs are really hard to find with low miles and in good condition. Texas vehicle, no rust. Bed liner, super straight, clean vehicle. Brand new tires, brakes. Needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Seats and interior are in phenomenal condition. Still have the original floor mats, power windows, locks and mirrors. 112,000 miles. There's the Carfax report along with our 125-point inspection. As you can see, super clean. (2002) Ford Explorer Sport Trac, 112,000 miles in remarkable condition.